All of this comes amid reports that Governor Gavin Newsom attended a birthday dinner for one of his political advisors that did not follow COVID-19 regulations. KTV's Tom Vakar has more now on the event in question and the response from the governor's office. Tom.
Well, at best, it was a lapse in judgment, but at the worst, it was a loss of some very hard-earned credibility.
Friday the 13th was a bad luck day for Governor Gavin Newsom as news broke that the previous Friday he and his wife attended a birthday party with at least 12 in attendance at one of wine country's most posh bistros, the French Laundry. This comes at a time when the governor and his administration are telling Californians to do everything they can to avoid crowds and parties, even with extended family members. Specifically, state guidelines advise individuals not to be in groups from more than 3 different households in the same space.
We have the guidance and the tips for a reason. We believe they are the strategies to keep ourselves and our communities safe, and we hope and expect people to take them seriously.
The governor's defenders say that the party was held outside, which is on its face safer, and they claim that there was no violation of either state guidelines or restaurant industry rules.
I don't think it's advisable.
Dr. and Professor John Schwartzberg is board certified in internal medicine and infectious diseases and is emeritus of the UC Berkeley School of Public Health.
At a public restaurant, you're adding some risk to yourself because you don't know who the other people around you are.
Governor Newsom issued this statement. While our family followed the restaurant's health protocols and took safety precautions, we should have modeled better behavior and not joined the dinner.
Our governor made a mistake. And he's admitted it. He apologized for it, and it wasn't the best judgment.
Dr. Schwartzberg says that back on June 1st, the nation was shocked and scared when the number of daily cases reached 20,000. Yesterday, we hit 160,000 cases just as the holidays are coming.
It's 8 times riskier today than it was then. So the holidays are coming up. This is a time when everybody who is exhausted with COVID wants to be with people, wants to be with their loved ones, wants to celebrate. And this is the worst time in our entire pandemic to do those things.
In other words, says the doctor, it's just too risky right now. Tom Vakar, KTVU Fox 2 News.
Yeah, Tom, and obviously I get it. The governor apologized, but boy, the optics, not good here.
Right. Well, it's all about optics, and you have enough people that have already said that there's a conspiracy here, that nobody should be wearing masks, that this is taking away their freedom. And then when you have something like this, it just plays into that. So it's becoming even more politicized.
Yeah, it certainly is. All right. Tom Vakar reporting live for us this afternoon. Tom, thank you.